This tutorial is about creating abstract 3D platonic solid. To create this, you can take platonic solid from here, from the polymodeling shell, or go to create polygon primitives, click on platonic solid, open channel box, click on this polyplatonic one, select primitives mode icosahedron, subdivision mode quartz, subdivision 0, radius type 7, spherical inflation 1. So now go to modeling menu, go to face selection mode, select all the face, click on this icon, extrude icon, or go to edit mesh, click extrude, keep face together, turn off, and click on this square bar and scale the face just like this. Now again click extrude and put the face down. Again click extrude, put the face slightly down just like this, and click delete face. Now go to vertex mode, select this vertex, go to select, click similar. This will select all the similar vertices. Now go to edit mesh, click chamfer vertices. Now again go to face selection mode, select this face, again go to select, click similar. This will select all the similar faces. Now again click extrude, put the faces down just like this. On division type 4. Now go to object mode, go to edit, delete by type, click delete history, go to mesh, click smooth, division type 2 or 3, select this, go to edit, delete by type, delete history, right click, assign new material, select blend, change the blend color to this color. Now select this, change modeling menu to FX menu, go to mesh, click create a mesh network, open attribute editor, mesh 1 distribute type number of 0.3, distance x put it 0, and scale xyz type 0.7, rotation 0, scale xy and z 0.7. Now turn off the grid, rotation y, slide it, increase the frame to 200, rotation y, Slide the time slider to frame 1. Go to frame 1. On rotation Y, right click, set a key and go to frame 200. Slide the rotation Y slider and make it 360 and right click, set another key. Go to frame 1, click play and see. This is the abstract 3D platonic solid animation in Maya. Now rotation Z, type 180. Again go to frame 1, click play and see. This is amazing. Abstract 3D platonic solid animation.